This conference will
Sir,
now be
today we will
recorded.
discuss about Sir, today we will discuss about repository APIs. Sir, what are the different repository APIs are available in Pega? So what are the different repository APIs are available in Pega? What we will do by using those repository APIs? What we will do by using those repository APIs? First, I will list down the what are the different repository APIs are available. Okay, sir. Now create a folder API. Okay, create folder API, create file API. Okay, create file API. Okay, get file API. Okay, delete. Okay, delete API. Okay, list of files. Okay, list of files API. Okay, exits API. Okay, sir, these are the different repository APIs are available. Okay, these are the different repository APIs are available. Okay, we will discuss about use case and all, sir, when we can use this repository APIs. Commonly, every project we will use this repository APIs. Okay, repository APIs. What we will do and all we will discuss. Sir, now first we'll discuss about scenario. Okay, what is the scenario? Okay, what is the scenario? Sir, now we can see here. Again, here also, whatever scenario we want to create, we can create our own scenario. Okay, for example, okay, this is the Pega application. Pega application. Okay, Pega application. So now this is the Pega server path. Pega server path or Pega some destination location you can consider like that server path. Okay, destination. Okay, sorry, destination location, destination path. Some different application, external application. Sir, previous classes we discussed about file listener. What file listener will do? What happened? Vinod Kumar, Venkatesh, these people not joined. Okay, okay,
Bro,
fine.
join.
Mm,
Yeah, join also.
okay, okay. Sir, now application. Sir, now here external application, destination path. Sir, previously we discussed about file listener and sir, what file listener will do? What file listener will do? Oh, some other application people will place the file into destination path or source location. Pega will read that file. After that, what Pega is doing? Pega either create a case or update the case or insert the data or update the data like that. It will do some different, okay, different scenarios. Okay. So now see here, okay, now you are placing now in this scenario. Okay, next scenario, vice versa scenario. Bro, someone, okay, some other application or third party application will place a file. Sir, now they will place a file, CSV file, or else okay, any format and okay, XML, or text. Sir, some different file. Okay, what they are doing is some different application people they are placing a file. Okay, some different application people are placing a file into Pega. Okay, destination path means Pega repository. We can say that and Pega repository, Pega a server path. Okay, Pega repository. Pega repository. Sir, now this
Arjun,
application,
one
yes.
question. మనము ఇక్కడ మామూలుగా యాక్సెస్ గ్రూప్ ఆపరేటర్ ఐడీస్ కూడా క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చా యూజ్ చేసి కనెక్ట్ ఫైల్.
ఏంటి అర్థం కాలేదు బ్రో, మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేయి.
అంటే నా క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే మనం కనెక్ట్ ఫైల్ యూజ్ చేసి ఆపరేటర్ ఐడీస్ క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చా, మనం ఒక ఫైల్ డ్రాప్ చేసి
నేను చెప్తాను, ఒక్క నిమిషం చెప్తాను. Just give me some time, bro. Okay, I will discuss. So now here you can see the external application. Okay, they are placing a file into. Okay, they are placing a file here. Okay, now what Pega will do? Okay, Pega. Okay, sir. Now previously we discussed, bro. Some other application people are placing a file into this destination path or Pega repository. Pega repository. Immediately now Pega is reading that file. Oh, okay. To implement this one, how, okay, what we use, bro? Ah, so this is the use case. As external application people are placing a file into this destination path. Pega will read. Pega will read. Okay, Pega will read. Pega application will read that file. That now Pega application okay, will read that file. Okay, fine. So now Pega application, okay, Pega application will read that file from the this destination path. Okay, this scenario already you people knows, right? Yes or no? Come on.
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, this one no. Okay, today again we can implement. We will implement the same scenario by using repository APIs also. Sir, by using repository APIs also we can. Okay, sir, how we can implement? Okay, this is the one scenario. Okay, sir. Now second scenario is okay Pega application. So now Pega application, what Pega application is doing? Place a file, place the file. Okay, where you are going to place the file? Destination path, destination path, and destination path. What other application people will do? So now these application, external application people, external application. Sir, external application people will read that file, read the file. Okay, external application team, they will read the file. Sir, now external application will read that file. Okay, now here you can see okay, these application people will place the file. Okay, these application people will place the file. Okay, what I will do is I will remove. It's better to remove. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes, bro. Okay. Whatever you ask, Satish, we'll discuss. Okay, sir. Sir, now see these okay, these people, these application people are placing a file. Okay, these application people are placing a file, and Pega will read. Okay, in this scenario, okay, in this scenario, Pega application will place the file into the Pega repository, and external application will read that file. First of all, scenarios clear, everyone, bro, everyone, clear?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Okay,
Yeah, clear.
clear. Okay, these are the common scenarios. Sir, what we will do, bro? Okay, now someone is placing a file. What we will do? Okay, sir, scenarios, right? Above scenarios. What we will do? Either book simple, okay, high level, just I'm updating. What we will do? Example one. Example one, either we will create a case. Okay, we will create a case or update the case. Simple and okay, we will create a case or update the case. Okay, sir, now scenario two. What we will do? Sir, we will, okay, sir, whatever data we are getting, okay, whatever data we are getting from that file, sir, now I want to read that file and then I want to update to my case. No, I want to create a case. I want to resume the case. I want to move from one stage to another stage. Any requirement and sir, now here, or else we will insert or update or delete the data into database table. Sir, we will create a case or update the case, or we will insert or update or delete the data into the table from database. Delete the data from database table. Either you can insert the data into the table, or else you can update the data, or else you can delete the data from the database table. Look, these are the common use cases. Even previously also, okay, same scenarios. Okay, whatever integrations we are discussing, right, and whatever integrations we are discussing, these are the common scenarios we will do. Okay, sir, whatever he asked, hey Arjun, okay, whatever file, okay, Satish asked one of the question, through connect file, is it possible to create a, uh, is it possible to create operator IDs like that you are asking, right, bro?
Yes, yes.
Connect file, what connect file will do? Connect file will create a file and then place that file into the destination path. Clear? Hello,
Yeah,
Satish?
yeah,
Sir,
yeah,
connect
clear.
file, what it will do? Sir, now, for example, now you ask Arjun, whatever daily we are, okay, I will tell you one use case. Sir, whatever operator IDs we are creating in our application, could you please generate one file and then place that file into some folder path? Some other application people will read that file and then they will get to know what are the operator IDs created in the production. Someone want to review. Someone want to review. Hello?
Yeah, yeah.
Use case now you are clear, right, bro? Whatever
Mm.
operator ID is created in our Pega application. So now what connect file will do? Simply it will place a file in it. That's it. Simply it will place a file. Sir, now here, what are the requirements? Sir, now create a case. Now anything, and again here create a case or update the case means now you can see here. Okay, claim case. Okay, sir, now personal loan case. Okay, home loan case, car loan case. Okay, dispute request. Okay, dispute request or a complaint or inquiry like that you can think. And what about here, bro? Sir, now here, okay, we have a one refund table is available. Sir, we have a customer table is available. Sir, we have a customer table is available. Sir, we have a one policy table is available. We have a transaction table is available. Sir, now we have a product table is available. Sir, we have a order table is available. Sir, we have a order table is available. Sir, now okay, we have a employee table is available. Sir, now we have a employee table is available. Now you can consider like that. Sir, now whatever data we are getting, that data now I want to update. Sir, whatever okay, my CSV file, okay, whatever CSV file we are getting from external system, or else whatever XML file we are getting from external system. Sir, now I want to XML file we are getting. Now I want based upon that XML data. Now I want to update. Based upon the XML data. Now I want to update. Sir, now how we can achieve this one? Okay, now we will discuss it. Okay, sir, now see here, okay, before that, okay, or before going to discuss about this repository APIs, first we'll discuss about connect file. Okay, first we'll discuss about connect file. Sir, what is the use of connect file? Okay, sir, by using connect file, okay, we can place the file into destination path. Okay, destination path. Sir, by using connect file, we can place the file into destination path and external application. External application, okay, will read the file from destination path. So now see, up to 8 Pega 8.6 version. So up to 8.6 version, we will use connect file to place the files into destination path. Sir, now what are the details we will specify in a connect file role? Sir, now we will connect file role. We will specify the destination path, comma, type of file. Type of file means what type of file you want to create. So now, okay, place or create a file. You can say that, and we can place the file means we are creating a file. Okay, you are creating a file. So in a connect file, we will specify the destination part, type of the file, to place, whether CSV or XML or text file, what type of file you want to place. Okay, type of the file. Okay, so these are the common details we will specify. Okay, sir, before that we will specify this one, and by using, okay, connect file, okay, connect file method in activity, okay, we can call the connect file rule. We can call the connect file. Sir, now how to create or place the file into, okay, destination path. Okay, sir, how to, okay, now what we will do is create a connect file role. Okay, okay. కరెక్టే కదా ఇలా పెడితే అప్ టు పెగా 8.6 అని ఇలా పెట్టానా ఓకేనా అండి ఎవ్రీవన్ హలో బ్రో
ఓకే బ్రో.
అప్ టు 8.6 వర్షన్ అని పెడుతున్నా ఓకే క్రియేట్ ఏ కనెక్ట్ ఫైల్ రూల్ కనెక్ట్ ఫైల్ రూల్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ స్టెప్ 2 create a activity and write a logic to insert data into the file. Okay, data and call the connect file rule. Sir, after that, now either it depends on either we can create and after that depends on the requirement. Okay, I will tell you depends on the requirement means suddenly I asked Vinod Kumar, daily is it possible to place a file at okay 4 a.m. 4 a.m. BST? Is it possible to place a file into the destination location? Then we can read. Hey, daily at 8 a.m. BST, could you please place a file? We will read that file. See, at that time, what we will do, whatever activity you created, whatever activity you created, what you will do?
For create the job schedule and write the
That
logic in the activity
create a job scheduler, and call the activity.
activity based on the time entry.
See now, see here, R. Okay, this is the one scenario, Venkatesh, whatever you told. Second scenario is, no man, each case, for example, Arjun, now I created the case. Okay, I created a case. Okay, now I'm expecting, for example, and simple. Okay, now you are applying a loan. Okay, now you are applying a loan. So some third party system you need to provide, okay, some of the existing details. Some see, depends whatever inputs you are giving. For example, some credit related information we are expecting from a third party system, or else whatever PAN card number, Aadhaar card number, passport number you are giving, or else whatever sort code or account number, or whatever SSN number, USA point of SSN number and your name you are giving, based upon those details, date of birth. Okay, based upon those details, whatever details you are giving, based upon these details, now we will get the details from some different system. Different system. Sir, now we can see each case. Say now I'm creating a case. Now I'm creating a case. Okay, okay. Now I'm processing Venkatesh case request. Sir, once the first screen itself, now I captured Venkatesh date of birth and his account number and start code. And when I'm placing a file, immediately now I want to get the details, okay, credit details from some different system. What they will do? Hey, could you please send okay some file, whatever, okay, whatever data, okay, whatever data you are looking for. Each case, now Venkatesh request details, what I will do, I will create one XML, I will place that XML into the some destination path. Some other application people will read that file, and then they will prepare the data, again they will place that file into destination path. Okay, again they will place the file, okay, they will place the file into destination path. Just we can think like that. Okay. So now when I'm going to submit again next time again I'm processing a Ganesh request. Next one more case I created means in this scenario what you need to do, bro? Are you going to create a job scheduler or else sir each request now we need to get the details, right? For example, next time now I'm processing Janani details. Next time I'm processing Mahesh details, Mahesh request details. See, when I'm going to submit on submit, now we need to call this activity. Yes or no?
Yeah. Queue
Come
processor
on.
we can go for that.
Yes, queue processor or else in a flow action and post processing you can call. Yes or no?
Yeah. Yeah,
Sir,
yes,
sir, okay, Arjun. Safer side, okay, in the back end itself. Now I want to execute. Okay, exact, super point, bro. Oh, sir, super point. Sir, now what we will do directly, I will create. He told that best approach. Previously, whatever we discussed about queue process, Arjun. Okay, when you are submitting, okay, fine. Directly we will call safer side. For example, when you are placing a file, some due to some issues, some okay, technical issues. Okay, at that time it is not placing. It is not placing a file. Sir, now if you use the queue processor in a backend, it will okay, it will create that file. Sir, sometimes it will take a time to create a file. Agree, Ganesh? Whatever you told. Sometimes it will take.
Ah,
Why?
yes,
Sir,
agree, Arjun.
you don't want to wait for the user. Sir, now in the backend, just you can queue the data. Queue processor will create. Okay, queue processor will execute that activity and then it will place. Okay,
Yeah,
Nandi.
correct.
So now, okay, now we will create. Okay, superb. Create queue processor. Query browser and call the activity. Cat- Call the activity. So now what we will do, create a queue browser and call the activity means we need to call the final activity. See, if this queue browser where we will call into some different activity. That activity will call in a flow action. In a flow action,
Background processing.
in a flow action we will
Background processing automation.
call the okay, that one also in a flow action or else okay we can use run in background,
Yes, yes. Run in
Yeah,
background.
run and play.
run in background or parallel.
Run in background in automation.
Both we can use. So,
Okay, different and different ways, sir. Okay, see, for example, I don't want to do means okay, you can do some different way also. So directly I will call activity in a flow action and a post processing. Yes, you can do. Sir, now old versions we will use like that. And okay, what I will do is quickly, okay, sir, now okay, I will not spend that much of time in this requirement. Even i uploaded I uploaded one of the recorded session. Okay, why? Because nowadays we are not using this connect file. Okay, I don't want to spend that much of time in this. Okay, about this connect file, simple one sample example I will explain. Okay, but experience wise you want to know. Okay, I uploaded okay into in our YouTube channel Arjun trainings like that. There you can see how we can create okay CSV file, how we can create a CSV file. That CSV file, how we can place into the destination path. Okay, na? Everyone, you people can go through that recorded session. Okay, na, Andy? Everyone. Sir, Ram, whatever I am telling, whatever I am highlighting, please go through that recorded sessions. See, now we will not use anyway this one. Okay, na? Just we can go through this one quickly. What I will do is first I will explain this one. After that, we will discuss about repository APIs quickly. Sir, what we will do is
Arjun, what is the difference between file listener and connect file?
What file listener will do?
It will read data from the external application.
What connect file will do?
Here also we are doing the same thing, like we are creating case or updating case. There also we are doing the same, right?
Here also we are doing same. Connect file, what connect file will do?
Placing the file into destination path.
Destination path.
Connect file, it will place the file into the destination path. Whatever data is available in our tables, okay, in this whatever scenarios, right? Whatever data is available with our data types or else your cases, okay, we are taking the data and then we are inserting the data into the table. We are inserting the data into the file and then we are placing. Okay, vice versa scenarios, right? Okay, sir, now here you can see we don't have any option to create a connect file rule. Okay, here okay, Pega removed and 8.7 onwards they removed. Okay, na? Sir, directly you cannot create. What I will do, just like knowledge purpose, okay, I uploaded. Please go through that recorded session. Interview point of view, you can explain. Yes, I have idea about to connect file rule also. Previously, how we will do. Okay, please go through that one. Quickly, I'm going to create one activity. Generate sample file. Okay, simple. So previously, okay, we can create a connect file from here. Okay, now they removed. Okay, now what we will do is now see here param dot. Okay, welcome message. Okay, welcome message. Okay, whatever data and simple. Sir, not only this one, sir, whatever data you want to insert into the file. Okay, that data you can map to some parameter or else some property. Just we can one of the example I explained. Sir, how we can okay, how we can insert the data into the table. Sir, how we can insert the data into CSV file. Okay, so now here welcome to Pega CSA and CWSSA. Okay, training. Okay, this is the sample message. Okay, sir, now sir, this is the sample message. Now I want to insert into the file. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to create a connect file. Okay, connect file. From here directly, I'm going to create a connect file role. So here, um, mm, sample file. Sample file. Click on this bullet icon. You can practice. Okay, it's better to practice even connect file example also. Destination path. What I will do is what I will do is okay wherever and whatever okay so generally we will specify in the Pega repository path. Here I didn't explain right in a file listener point of view and uh, connect file or repository APIs sir folder path and that one also okay we need to decide that what is the format in our projects people will follow the different formats sir we will give some XYZ like that no okay it's not like that and it's not like that. Okay, some structure we will follow. Okay, what is the structure we will follow? Just you can cross check in our okay, application. What is the structure they are following? Or else your LSA will suggest, okay, this is the folder path, we need to place the file. Or else you can ask them. Okay, you can ask your LSA, okay, what is the folder path? Could you please tell me that? Sir, that folder, okay, folder path, previously what we will do is previously means not in, okay, these versions. Now we have a repository API, right? Previously what we will do is we will create a one, okay, support request to Pega team. What they will do is, so we will ask them to create a folders, whatever folders we are looking for, we will ask them to create a folder paths. Okay, this is the structure we want. Okay, see, structure means this one only. See, what I'm doing is, go here. Now I'm creating, right? Could you please create a this folder path? Like that, we will intimate to them. NW sample file. Sir, for example, this one. Sir, now we will give to them, this, okay, I'm looking for, okay, this type of file in this path. Like that, we will give to them. Okay, we are looking for this structure in SIT, UAT, pre-prod and production environment. Like that, we will raise one support request and Pega team will do. Now also we can request. Now Pega will tell that. Now you have a right, you have an option to create a folder path. You can create your own by using repositories. Sometimes if you are not, okay, are not able to create, at the time we can raise. Still they now also they are supporting. Okay, they will create a folder path, but this structure, okay, you need to confirm from your LSC what is the structure we are following. Okay, remember this one. Okay, sir, now here what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to place a file into in this destination path. Now here, what is the sample file? Welcome dot, sir, now file name, what is the type of the file name dot txt extension we need to specify. And sir, if file already exists, do you want to fail, do you want to append, or do you want to override? Sir, if file already exists, do you want to get this one is a file failed, you don't want to, okay, you don't want append, or else you don't want to override, just you want to throw the error, or else, sir, now I want to append whatever file, okay, already file is available. Okay, append means it will, what it will do is keep on, it will override the data. Okay, sir, now if you select the append means someone will read that file right immediately, someone will read that file. Sir, now I want to override. Sir, now no one is uh okay, process this file. Sir, now next day again what it will do is, file is already exist, it will override the data, it will override the data. Sir, now just you can cross check what option you want to select. Sir, now I'm going to select the override. Okay, now you can click on save. Now it will give the warning. Now clearly it is showing that here, okay, now here is CC deprecated. So now please use the repository of the, okay, repository type file system. Okay, Andy? Hello? Clear? Now, okay, I told that. Now see here, now you can click on test connectivity. Successfully we are connected to destination location. Go here. Now we are placing a file. Now, so in this file, okay, this is the data. Now I want to insert. Okay, this is the data. Now I want to insert. Now data from, write data from clipboard, and whatever data, for example, if you are setting this data to some clipboard property, okay, write from clipboard property. So now either clipboard property or parameter, you can give like that, you can give like
Suppose
that.
if we are given operator ID profiles, like PY user identifier access group, so that one how can we implement here?
నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు బ్రో, అసలు ఏం అడుగుతున్నారు మీరు?
అంటే నేనేమంటున్నా అంటే ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇందాక అన్నారుగా ఆపరేటర్ ఐడి ప్రొఫైల్, హౌ మెనీ ఆపరేటర్ ఐడి, అంటే ఎన్ని ఆపరేటర్ ఐడీస్ ఉన్నాయి, ఆ డీటెయిల్స్ అనేవి ఒక ఫైల్ జనరేట్ అవ్వాలంటే
ఓ అదా,
మనం
అది ఓకే, అది ఓకే చెప్తా. సార్ నౌ దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ క్లియర్, everyone, this one is clear? Okay, sir, now what I will do is quickly I'm going to create, okay, quickly I'm going to create a, okay, job scheduler, nw generate sample file. Okay, sample file. Okay, any associated, generally you can select the any associated node. Now what is the time? Okay, Every 1 minute I specified, right? Okay. Okay, sir, within 1 minute, it will place a file. Okay, just wait for 1 minute. Okay, meanwhile, I will log into the application with some different ID. Mm, Sarita. Sir, whatever you asked, even I uploaded, okay, a recorded session. Sir, now see here. Sir, now it's created the file, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, sir, now it's created the file. Sir, now go here. Okay, one more. Okay. Here. Sir, now see. Okay, one of the scenario. Previously, some people asked some different way. Okay, now, okay, whatever, right? Satish, you are asking. Sir, now I want to insert all operator files into the. Okay, sir, now okay, just we can implement. Okay, assignment. Okay, whatever you asked, right? Assignment. Okay, insert operator details. Okay, operator details into CSV file. Okay, na, bro?
Yeah.
Sir, insert. Okay, your application related operator details into CSV file and place that file into destination path. This is my requirement. Okay, this is my requirement. Okay, in that one, what is the operator ID I want? Operator ID I want, and operator full name I want, his role I want, his access group I want, his phone number I want, his phone number I want. Okay, operator ID, operator full name, role, access group, and phone number. Phone number and reporting to. Okay, reporting to whom is reporting. Whom is reporting. These are the details. Now I want to okay insert into CSV file and the place that file into the destination path. Okay, now you are agree. Satish?
Yeah.
Okay, na? Now, okay,
Mm.
right? Okay, sir. Sir, now just we can think this one. Okay, now, sir, now what I'm doing is here. Okay, what I'm doing is, okay, some different way. 1 minute. Okay. How many records are available, Satish?
300.
Okay.
311.
Okay. Okay. Now, okay. See, now what I will do is, okay. Now even I will discard this activity. So now I'm going to run this one. Okay, na bro? Now? Sir, now how many cases are available now? Hello?
311.
Now we got inserted or not?
Yeah, inserted.
Okay, this is the way to implement. Any questions? Clear now? Sir, now this
Mm.
one, just we can practice and sir, now, sir, how you implemented and all, just like I uploaded. Okay, this one now, okay, I uploaded one of this recorded file. Okay, recorded file into YouTube channel. Just we can go through that one, how we can create a CSV file and then how we can insert the data into the table. Sir, how we can insert the data into, okay, this folder path. Okay, this one CSV file. Okay, clear right now, bro, whatever you asked.
Yeah, clear.
Okay.
Sure.
Sir, now this one, old versions, we will use the connect file and old versions, we will use the connect file. Now, sir, now how we will do this one? Now see, we have a Pega provided some different repository APIs. Sir, Pega provided some different repository APIs. Sir, what we will do by using this repository APIs? Sir, what are the different repository APIs are available? What is the use of those repository APIs? What is the use of those repository APIs? From here itself we will write. Okay, so now first one is the create folder API. What this API will do? So what this API will do is create folder. Okay, name itself. Okay, it is okay. Sir, name itself it is telling. Sir, name itself it is telling what this create. Okay, create folder API will do. Come on.
It will create the folder
Mm.
in the destination.
Come on, by using create folder API, we can create a folder in a repository. Sir, we can create a, sir, previously I told, okay, one of the thing, whenever we want to create a folder in a repository, at that time we will raise the request to Pega team. Pega will create a repository into the Pega cloud path. Okay, whatever path we are giving, right? Same path they will create even production or all the environments. All the environments they will create it. Okay, create a, so now what they will do is, even if you raise a, okay, cloud request to Pega team, what they will ask you is, you can use this API to create a folder in this particular folder, like that they will ask. So now here, what is the API we will use here is, we can use, sir, we can use this one, d underscore px new folder. Sir, database. Sir, now this is the database we will use. And okay, now this is the database we will use. Sir, what is this one? Okay, savable database we can consider like that. Okay, savable database. We, we can use the savable database. Sir, we need to pass a repository name and folder path. Sir, now this we need to specify the folder path. Sir, now these are the two parameters we need to pass on. Okay, we need to pass these parameters. Sir, we need to pass these two parameters. Okay, remember this one. Sir, next one is the create file. Guess what it will do? This create file. What it will do? This create file.
Create file in the folder.
Ah, ante. We can create file into the repository. But now we can create a file. So now by using this one. Okay, this one also. So now, okay, here what we will do is, we will use the one more API here. Sir, file path. These are the parameters we need to pass. Sir, next one is, sir, next one, get a file. By using, come on,
Get
by
a file
using,
from the folder
mm,
destination location.
we can get the file from repository. See, repository, in a repository, we will specify the folder path. And okay, you can consider even whatever you people told, we can get the file from repository or folder. Okay. So now here also, okay, again here also we will use, we can use d underscore px get file. Okay, sorry, okay, savable database. This one also not savable database, read only. So now again here also, because we need to pass the, okay, folder path. So now here we need to pass response type parameters. Next one. Sir, what we will do by using this one?
Delete the folder.
By using delete API we can delete or we can delete file or folder from repository. Okay, na bro? Sir, okay, by using this one, we can delete. Sir, we can delete the folder or else we can delete the file also. Sir, now what we will do is here we can use d underscore px delete. Sir, px delete read only data piece. We need to pass repository name. But now these are the parameters we need to pass. Okay, file path and repository name. Okay, repository name we need to pass. These are the parameters we need to pass. Next one is what it will do. What it will do, bro? By using come on list files. List files
List
and
of files, multiple files we can get.
multiple files.
Um, we can place it. We can get it both.
Sorry, we can get means what we see. What it will do is it will get the what are the files available in that folder path. You got it right?
Okay.
What are the
Yeah, yeah.
files available? It will show. It will show like that. I will update. It will. We can get the list of. We can see. We can see the list of files available in a repository. So repository means now I'm updating repository means folder path and you can consider like that. So repository means in a repository we are specifying a folder path. Okay. So now here what we will do, we can use. So now we can here, okay, this is also read only database d underscore px list files. Read only database to to show the list of files available in a specific repository like that. Sir, we can we can get the list of we need to pause. Okay, these are the two parameters we need to pass. Okay, today whether Vinod Kumar joined. Sir, now whether Vinod Kumar joined or not. Just we are checking whether Vinod Kumar is joined or not. Exist API, what it will do?
The file will be available or not in the chat.
Sir, simply it will check. Sir, now by using exist API, we can check whether, come on, Venkatesh, file is
Available or not the folder.
available in a folder. Okay, folder or specific folder path or not. Sorry, okay, whether file is available in a folder path or not, or a repository. But now repository or not. Sir, now here this is the we can use. We can use. Sir, now exist. Sir, exist. This one is the when condition. People will use this is the when condition. Sir, now here This is the when condition, and okay, px exists is the when condition. In this inside the when condition, now okay, I'm going to open this one. Okay, this is the when condition. Inside the when condition, they call the, now you can see here. Okay, this is the when condition. Okay, now bro, everyone. Sir, now or else database also. Sir, inside this when condition, sir, inside this when condition, they call the database. Okay, na? Hello, database also available. Here you can see. Sir, now here, okay, we can use the okay Pega OOTB when condition or D underscore okay database. Okay, this one also read only database. Okay, read only database. Okay, that's it. Okay, so now what we will do? Okay, now I'm going to create how we can use this repository APIs and all. We will discuss. What I will do is first okay, I'm going to discuss about this one. After the remaining all simple only. Okay, so how we can create a file? How we can create a file into some destination path? Okay, this is my requirement. So now here, okay, what is my use case is now here you can see. So now okay, what is my use case is, for example, some different system people, some different system people. Okay, they are they are storing okay our policy information. For example, some different system people are maintaining a policy details. Some different system people are maintaining our loan customer details. So now I'm processing one of the new customer. Okay, that customer first time he is applying for loan. He is applying for loan. At that time, okay, now I'm creating that customer. Okay, sir, when I'm creating a customer, his personal details, his address details, his dependent details. Just we can think that. Okay, now I'm collecting. Sir, now I'm connecting these details. Okay. So now what we will do is the same details we want to send to some different system also. Okay, they asked us, hey Arjun, could you please send these details in the form of XML file? Whatever details now you are okay, you are you are okay capturing, right? Could you please send the data in the form of XML? Okay, clear. What is my use case now? Everyone, come on. What is my use case? Come on. Use case is okay, create a XML file and insert personal details, comma, address details and dependent details, and place that file into a destination path. So same about now, just now we discussed it, right? How we place the file, text file, how we place the CSV file. Hello?
For file connect. Need to
File
pass the
same
file.
same now also I'm expecting these details. Okay, what is my use case? Clear? First name. So now what
Uh,
are the details I want? Case ID, case status, case status. What time that case is created? Create date time, first name, okay, last name, and yes, yes. Even you want DOB, DOB. Sir, now address details, permanent address. Sir, address line 1, address line 2. Sir, address line 3, state name, country name, postcode. Next one is the dependent list. Okay, dependent name. Okay, dependent age. Okay, dependent location and relationship. Clear, bro? Now, okay, now I want to create a file, bro. This is my requirement. Okay, this is the file now I want to create. Okay, so now, okay, how we can create a file? So now what is my use case? Now this is my use case. Okay, these are the details now. Okay, now these are the details now. Okay, we want to insert into the file whatever previously he asked. Same, sir, whatever he asked, right? Hey, Arjun, could you please create, whoever is placing a file, right? Sir, whoever is placing a request, now that operator details. Operator details. Now I want in the form of XML. Now I want in the form of XML. Okay, sir, now what are the rules you need to create? Okay, what are the rules you need to create? Here, this is the process, right? Sir, now in this requirement point of view, sir, now here, what are the rules we will create and all? Okay, now see. Okay, first one, step number, how to, okay, first one, this is my use case, right? Okay, this is my use case. Sir, now we need to create a file. Okay, how to place a file into Pega repository. How to place a file into Pega repository. Okay, what are the rules you need to create? Step number one. Create a repository. Create a repository. Step number one is create a repository. So now create activity and write a logic to insert data into file. Call the call the what is API?
Create, sir.
What is this one?
PX new file. A
1
underscore
minute.
PX.
1 minute. 1 minute. Parameters. That's it. And create a repository. Okay. So now here, okay, before itself I will write. It's better to write here. How to create a repository. How to create a repository. So now go to admin studio. Go to admin studio. Sorry, or go to system, sysadmin. Go to sysadmin. Okay, go to records explorer. Records explorer. Sysadmin. Create a repository. First, we are creating a repository. So now see here whether I'm able to see. I can go here, sysadmin. Whether you are able to see repository. Okay, now I'm able to see the repository. I am able to see the repository. Okay, open your Axis group. Just okay, anyone is logging into your application. Okay, now I'm able to, okay, so now I'm able to see the repository. Okay, fine. Okay, I'm able to see. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a repository. And so now I'm going to create a repository. Now see here. What is the error we are getting?
You don't have
So now I'm able to see.
you don't have sufficient access privilege to create a rules of data repository.
Sir, now see here immediately it is throwing error. Now you are not okay, you are not able to create a repository. Sir, now you are not able to create a repository like that. It is showing you don't have any privilege. Sir, you don't have any privilege. Sir, what we need to do is, okay, sir, now here we need to create, sir, now you need to add one access role. Okay, you need to add a access role. Go here, come down. Now I'm going to access, okay, add Pega rules. Okay, repository administrator like that. Okay, sir, now even, sir, this one administrator point of view, users also you can add in case whenever someone is placing a file at that time also if you are getting error. Sir, now you can see this is the access role we need to add in. Okay, sir, now here before creating before just like a node purpose. Okay, it's not a mandatory steps. Okay, node before, okay, creating, okay, before creating check whether access role added. Okay, sir, just we can check whether this access role is added into in our access role or not, access group or not. Okay, sir, if not available, sir, not available, just we can add it. Okay, now what I'm doing is now I'm going to add this one. Okay, click on save. Okay, click on save. Now log off and log in. Just we can log off and log in. Now I'm okay. Now I'm able to create a repository. So now it will allow to create a repository. Step number one, first what we need to do, we need to create a repository. Sir, create a repository. Now you know how we can create a repository. File system repository. We have a different types of repositories are available. In general, we will create a okay file system repository. Okay. Sir, now you can check in Pega documentary. Sir, now we have a different repositories are available. You can go through those repositories. Okay. Now we are placing a file into the Pega system. Okay, sir. File system repository. Okay. What I'm going to do is go here. First step number one. Now I'm going to create a one repository. Now go here, click this one, click on this one. So now here you can see the repository, right click, create. Now you can view this one. So now what we will do, NW loan. Okay, NW loan. Okay, this is my repository name. Okay, this is the repository name. Now I'm creating. Now it is allowing to create. Sir, here we have a different repositories are available. Here we have a different repositories are available. Sir, now here where we can see is different repository types. Sir, now here file system, okay, Amazon S3 bucket, JFrog, and Microsoft Azure. Okay, different repositories are available. See, generally we will select this one. Okay, now I'm going to create a okay repository in this file system. Select this one, and here you can specify the resource path. Sir, now whatever, now what is the location? Okay, now see, okay, this is the repository name. Now what I'm going to do is, sir, now I'm going to create, okay, I'm going to create here, I will create NW personal loan. Sir, NW personal loan. Now I want to place the file into, okay, sir, now I want to place the file into in this path. Okay, this is my requirement. Now I want to place the file into in this path. Okay, go here. Now we can specify this one. So now we can specify in this folder path. Now I want to place a file in. Okay, in this folder path. Now see, same like connect file, we are specifying a folder path, right? Now we are specifying a folder path. Now click on save, and then you can check this one. Okay, now successfully whether you are able to connect with this repository folder path or not. Okay, step number one is completed. Sir, now what is my use case? Next one. Okay, now this one is completed. Sir, we have a okay, different APIs are available. D_px. Just you can type under px. Sir, now here you can see new file. Sir, now you can see here a new file. Open this one. Sir, now okay, whatever notepad I updated, right? Now here you can see repository name, file path. Sir, like that now you can see different APIs are available. Get file. Sir, now open this one. Now we can see what are the parameters it is expecting. Sir, next one is delete. Okay, delete. Sir, now px delete. Sir, now what is the parameters it is expecting? Repository name. Sir, next one is create. Create a px create file. Create folder. New folder. Okay, now this is another okay API to create okay folder path. Next one is list of files. Um, px list files. Okay, previously we've opened exist also, right? Whether okay repo file is available. These are the different okay APIs data pages available to place, to read, to create, to delete. Okay, in a notepad I updated. Just you can go to the okay parameters tab and check what are the files. Okay, what are the parameters it is expecting. So now I'm going to explain about how we can place a file. Okay, now this is the okay database I'm going to use. So these are the parameters we need to pass okay to create a file into the repository. Now what is my requirement is okay, what is my requirement is now here you can see here you can see uh, sir what are the details are required. So now okay correct permanent address anyway we have and here first name last name and some more properties and okay some more properties. Now we want to insert into the okay sir now we want to insert into the some XML file, some XML file. Okay. So now whatever data is available in our clipboard, you want to convert that clipboard data into XML. What is the rule you are going to create?
XML stream
XML stream.
XML
Stream.
stream rule.
stream rule. Sorry, XML stream rule. What okay, XML stream rule will do?
It will convert from clipboard to XML.
Clipboard to XML format. Okay, clipboard to XML format. Your XML stream rule will do. So now what we are doing is now I'm going to create a parse XML. Okay, sorry, XML stream rule. So XML stream rule will convert the data. A XML stream rule will convert the data clipboard to XML format. See here I didn't update. Now see I didn't update means here create activity and write a logic to insert the data into the table. Depends on it. See now in this scenario I want to insert the data into the XML. Okay, I want to insert the data into the XML. Sir, now what I'm going to do is now I'm going to create a sir now I'm going to create a one parse XML stream rule. Okay, now I'm going to create a XML stream rule. Okay, clear everyone? I'm creating a XML stream rule. Okay. So now here personal loan data, right? Mm. Convert Sir, now here you can give map from. Sir, you need to remember these two things. Okay, when you are calling this XML stream into activity, we need to pass these two. Okay, map from XML type and this one. Okay, insert personal loan data into XML. Instead of that, what I will do is insert personal loan file map from. Okay, sir, now map from, now we selected. Now here, what are the details we want? Case ID we want, case status, create date time, whatever details now we want. Okay, now I'm going to add. If properties are not available, just click on add and. Sir, now case ID is available. Fine. Okay, next one is case status also. Okay, case status. Case status or work status, nothing. Okay, okay, we will create one property, case status, like that. Okay, case status. Hmm. Case create date time. Okay, fine. Next one is first name, last name. Okay, we will add first name. Hmm. Yes, date of birth. Mhm. Okay, fine. Next one is the permanent address. Permanent address. Permanent address. Sir, permanent address. Next one is the permanent address, right? In this permanent address, now we want to add in this permanent address line one. What are the details we are capturing? Address line one, address line two, straight to zip. Okay. Address line one. Address line 1. First I will add all. Post code. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Next one is okay, page list property, right, bro? Okay, page list property already we created, right? Page list property. Dependent list, right? Okay, dependent list. Dependent. Okay, list. Okay, dependent list. Okay, sir. Now this is the page list property, right? Double click here. Okay. Now we need to select the repeating. Okay, because this is the page list property, right? It will repeat. Okay. Page property. I didn't check that checkbox. Why? Because this is a single only. Okay. Now and add one more element. Now here, dependent name. Oh, dependent name. Okay. What is why it is showing all? Okay, okay. We could hear here I need to give. Okay, here I need to give. Okay. A dependent name. Okay, dependent name. Okay, dependent is dependent is. Okay, dependent location. Relationship. Relationship. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to click on save. After that, how we can call this one? How we can call this one in activity. Okay, now we didn't create activity, right? Now I'm going to create activity. All are okay, API is available. Okay, API all are available, right? Now we will insert the data. Okay, generate personal loan file. So generate personal loan file, click on create and open. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to use the property set method. Before that, what is the file? Okay, this is the your database, right? Hmm. Okay, go to the pages and classes, specify this one. Okay, this database is belongs to what class? Now we can specify. Okay, step number 1. After that, sir, now whatever data, sir, now PYID. Okay, next one is the PY status. Okay, we included PY status also. PY status work. Okay, next one. Sir, now PX create date time. Create date time. Okay, fine. Next one, bro. Come on. Case ID. Chapali. Sir, case ID.
Work
Case
status.
case status. Come on. Next one. case create date time. Sir, now okay, these properties values were. What about remaining properties? Sir, why you are not setting remaining properties? Remaining properties already is available, right? Hello, work page directly we referred, right? Property set type on XML. Okay, now, sir, now this method, sir, now what we are calling a property set XML. Okay, property set XML. What this property set XML will do? Sir, now what this property set XML will do? Okay, it will convert now whatever data is available. Now we are calling connect. Where is our XML stream rule? What is XML stream rule name? It will convert the clipboard data to XML format and clipboard format to XML format. Now I'm calling. Okay, what are the parameters you gave? XML type map from. Okay, fine. Sir, now this data what we are doing is this entire data XML data we are storing into one property. Okay, one property. Okay, what I will do? Uh, personal personal loan data. Simple one. I'm creating one property. Okay, I'm creating one property. Step number one up to here completed. Okay, click on save. Click on save. Okay, now see. Step number one, your XML data will be available with this clipboard property. Agree, bro? Everyone? Your clipboard data will be available here, right? Okay. So now up to here now, okay, your XML data will be available with this clipboard property. Okay. After that, now this step. So now you want to place that file into the repository. This is our requirement. Now you want to place that file into the repository. So now what are the parameters we need to pass? Okay, main what are the parameters we need to pass is we need to pass the repository name param dot whatever parameter it is expecting. Okay, now we can pass those parameters. Okay, this is the one thing. Next one is another parameter. What is the parameter it is expecting? File path. Param dot file path. So now see here, whatever data is available. Okay, what is your repository name? Come on, what is the repository name? Okay,
NW
NW,
person.
okay, NW loan, like that I created, bro. Okay, NW loan. Sir, now, okay, sir, now NW loan. Sir, what location now you want to place the file? Sir, now what location now you want to place the file? Sir, now okay, we created this file, right? This is the path we created, right, bro? Come on. Okay, this is the path we created, and every personal loan is okay. Both are different, bro. Venkatesh. Okay, remember, sir. Now this is the path number. No need to specify. If you are specifying a folder path, no need to specify entire okay path under. Just you can specify whatever folder path. This is the folder path we created. Now I want to place this file. Oh, sorry. Sir, now I want to place the file into in this path. Sir, now in this is the repository in this folder path. Now we want to place a file. Okay. Sir, now these are the two parameters we pass. Now what is the file name? What is the file name? Sir, now what? Okay, for example, now you are creating a file. What name you want to? Okay, you want to create. Sir, now in a connect file, just you can recollect the connect and connect file. What we are doing? Destination location about to, and what is the type of the file name? Generate sample. Generate sample like that. Sir, now here, now I'm going to specify personal loan. Personal loan. So now you can specify also and here underscore. Okay, now you can underscore px create date time. So now different current date time, personal loan details. So now personal loan details plus okay underscore this one. Next one px create date time. Now you want to create a xml.xml file. So now like that, now we can include. So now px create datetime you want and .xml file. .xml. XML you can give this one. Sir, now I want to create a file with the date time. Sir, real time point of view, they will ask us, sir, now underscore loan, underscore some different, okay, different names, whatever names they are looking for. Now we can specify. Sir, now we can specify. Same in a service file, sir, connect file, what I did, sample file.xml. Okay, sample file.txt, sample file.csv. Like that, we will specify. Similar like that, now we can specify the file name here. Okay, now you can specify the personal loan, okay, details, personal details. Okay, personal details. So now what is the type of the file now you want to create? A personal loan details. So now I'm specifying okay, personal details dot xml. Dot xml. Now I want to create this file. Now I want to create this file. Now you specified file name and file path. So, but your database is expecting these two parameters, repository name and file path. So now how we can pass this file name? Okay, now again what I'm going to do is, again you can copy here. Okay, you can copy here. So now this one file path. Okay, this is the file path and plus okay file name. File name. Sir, in this folder, you can place a file. You can place a file. This is the file you can place in this repository. Okay, these are the parameters. Now I passed. Okay, fine. Sir, after that, sir, now we are converting okay, this entire. Now XML data will be available here, right? XML data will be available here. Now I'm going to convert it into base 64 encoding. Okay, next step, you can use this one also. Property hyphen property hyphen. Now, sir, whatever data is available, param dot. Now we can set all the data to personal details, right? Personal loan details, personal loan data. Okay, personal loan data. This is the parameter, or else you can update. Okay, same parameter, and now I'm giving right. Don't think that no need to give the same name. Okay, loan data like that you can think, and whatever data is available. Okay, whatever data is available with this property, right? Now I'm converting into base 64. Okay, now where is your data is available? So now my entire data will be available in this okay in this parameter. Now I want to pass this content, file content. Okay, send this file content into my XML. Okay, now go here. Next one, next one. What we will do is, what is your database? Now again you can set one more property set method. Okay, these are the constant common steps, and this is the one step. Next one is even same step itself you can include, or else you can use one more okay one more step, or else here itself you can include. Okay, just for understanding purpose, now I'm updating entire your content py contents. Okay, now your data is available, you are converting into okay, base 64 encoding, and then the data you are passing here. Okay, after that, now what we will do, next one you can call the database. Okay, what is the database? Where is the database? Okay, okay, fine. This is the database. What are the parameters it is expecting? Come down. Okay, Mm, go here. Now you can pass the parameters. Param dot comma, parent dot, okay, file path. Okay, this is the page database. Okay, in this database, whatever file content is available, right? Okay, this file content is available. We are passing. Here you can specify. Okay, so this is the database. In this database, the contents, right? Whatever data is available, you are passing to this database. After that, now you can save the data. Saveable the database. So this is the saveable database only, right? Saveable database. Now you are save database. Here, okay, again, whatever database, you can pass the parameters. XML content. Okay, sorry, your clipboard data, it will convert it into XML format, and then it will place the file into, okay, entire data also, it will insert it into your XML, and then it will place the file into repository folder path. Repository folder path. Now click on save. Okay, click on save. Now you can change the utility. Click on submit. So now when I want to place the file, when I'm going to submit, okay, when I'm going to submit the first screen, at that time I want to place the file. Okay, when I'm going to submit the screen, okay, at that time I want to place a file. Now you can go here. Date of birth also whether we included. Okay, next, main road near to SBI bank. So now we will check that. Sir, in this repository, okay, so now need to place a file. Okay, we call the activity also, right? Okay, everything is fine. All the details fine. Click on submit. Sir, we generated the CSV file. We generated the Excel. Okay, CSV text file. We generated the XML file. Now we can see here. Okay, sir. Now we can see the file or not? Hello, everyone.
Yes, sir.
It's such.
Okay, now you can open this one. Now you can see the whatever data, sir, whatever structured, sir, case ID, and then open status, and what time that we created the case, my hash name and is, and then permanent address. Sir, validations and all exception handling, the activity normal exception handling only. Step status is good or fail or log messages started, ended, that type of things. And okay, okay, high level I explained. Okay, again I will explain also. Okay, when we are going to write activity, how we will do the exception handling. Previously I explained. Okay, maybe next week again we will discuss when you are writing a logic. Okay, how we can do the exception handling and all. Sir, now we can see the dependent list. Okay, sir, now how many dependent list we entered here. Sir, now other application people will read this file and then they will process that file into they will process this file into their application. You got it right, everyone? Hello? Sir, now see how we can see now you are okay. Sir, now this is the XML. Okay, now see, now you are placing a file. For example, vice versa scenario. Vice versa scenario. Sir, vice versa scenario means now I'm going to like open మీ ఇష్టం ఇదిగో sir, some people are placing this file. For example, just you can think, Arjun bro, some other application people are placing this file. I want to insert this data into my my case. Got it or not? Vice versa scenario. Hello? Okay, previously she asked, right? Okay, in this context point of view, I think she asked, Arjun, what is the difference between connect file and both are different, Akila? Whatever you asked, but repository point of view, sir, now, okay, connect file, it will place a file under. Okay, na? Sir, now see, in this next example is even file, sir, now I'm going to read the file. Okay, sir, now I'm going to read the file. Sir, now what is my requirement is, okay, what is my requirement is, sir, now someone is going to place a file. Okay, sir, here dependent details, what we will do, bro? Uh, మంచిగా ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ క్రియేట్ చేద్దాం, దెన్ ఈ పీపుల్ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఐ విల్ టేక్ హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ అప్ టు 12 o'clock. I will take and then we'll complete all scenarios, then you will get full clarity about repository APIs. What we will do, what we will do. Is there any other page list properties in our application? Is there any other page list properties? What I will do, for example, you place the request bar. Okay, what I will do, now this is not how to place the file into repository. Next one, how to read the file from Pega repository. Next scenario. Okay, so step number 1, create a repository. Sir, now you people knows, right? Okay, even big complex also now. Okay, big, okay, create activity and write a logic to read the file data. Okay, next one, what is the API? Call the, come on, px get file, read only data piece and pass the parameters. That's it. And sir, okay, now for example, you can consider, okay, any case. Okay, we will create one case. Okay, again, I'm going to create one more case. Sir, even page or page list, just now I explained how we can form the page list and all. Okay, Sir, previously, even I gave the examples about service REST, about the connect REST also I gave the examples. Okay. XML structure, okay, or JSON structure, page or page list, page group, different page, single properties, page list properties, XML and JSON format, complex JSON response also, Okay, in this scenario, for example, okay, you can think that we'll go to directly, we will go to some different uh, okay, eligibility. Yeah, okay, fine, eligibility. Here, this is the case. For example, you can think that okay, I will give some different assignments. If people can practice. We are expecting from them case ID. Sir, we are expecting a case ID. Okay, a KYC status, KYC status, existing EMIs, eligibility amount, eligibility amount, eligibility status, monthly income. Sir, okay, these are the details now. Okay, success or hold, okay, reject. Okay, sir, now, okay, sir, now these are the details now we will get from external system. This is the data now I want to set to my cases. Just like, okay, this is the data now I want to set to my cases. Okay, okay, this is my requirement and eligible amount and all. Okay, what I will do is, okay, what I will do is, I'm going to create one XML. Sir, now some different system people will place the file into, okay, in this path. Where is the XML? Uh, loan response. Quick level create case ID. What is the case ID? ఓకే. ఓకే. అర్థమవుతుంది కదండీ. క్లియరే కదా! రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ మనం సి on fly itself I'm okay creating say this the use case now we are implementing like that I'm explaining. Okay na everyone? Okay, now KYC status. Okay, KYC status. KYC status. Okay. Hold. Okay, for example, hold. KYC status. KYC status. Next one is Venkatesh, clear, right? What I'm explaining. Okay. KYC status. Okay. So now previous example, how we can place the file into destination by eligible amount. Okay, eligible amount. Eligible amount. Okay. Next one is eligibility status. Eligible. ELI.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఈ సినారియోలో మనం ఫైల్ లిజనర్ ద్వారా చేసుకోలేమా సార్ కేసులోకి?
చేసుకో. అదే
చేసుకోవచ్చు
కదా.
కదా?
అదే కదా. ఆ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నెక్స్ట్ అసైన్మెంట్. హలో.
ఎస్ బ్రో, ఎస్ బ్రో.
ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఓకే ఈవెన్ ఓకే ఎలిజిబుల్ అమౌంట్. Just I'm explaining. Okay, we have a repositories APIs also available, right? Okay, you can use the file listener also. What file listener? What it will do automatically? It will check every 60 seconds, right? Hello.
ఎస్ బ్రో, ఎస్ బ్రో.
Okay, automatically it will check. But this in this point of view, what you need to do?
We will need to post
You need to
processing
create.
like that.
No, not post processing. Okay, you need to create one job scheduler, and job scheduler every time it will execute, right?
Yes bro.
చూడండి కరెక్ట్ గానే ఉందా లేదా చూడండి ఇక ఒకసారి అంతా లోన్ రిక్వెస్ట్
డేటా ఇన్ఫ్లో కాన్సెప్ట్స్ ఎక్కువైపోతున్నాయి.
ఏం బ్రో?
డేటా ఇన్ఫ్లో ఎక్కువైపోతుంది అంటున్నాను.
అంటే డేటా ఫ్లో ఎక్కువ అవుతుందంటే నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు బ్రో.
అంటే ఎక్కువ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే. ఇంకా తప్పదు కదా బ్రో. అంతకుముందు నేను తక్కువ కాలంలోనే కంప్లీట్ చేసేవాడిని కోర్సు. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఇంకా ఉంటాయి అబ్బా డిస్కస్ చేస్తా ఉంటే. ఎన్డబ్ల్యూ లోన్. ఓకే, ఎన్డబ్ల్యూ లోన్ లేదు కదా. మెయిన్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ వస్తాయి కదా. దీని మీద తెలుసా, ఇది తెలియదా, ఇది తెలీసా, ఇలా అడుగుతూ ఉంటారు. అది మనము నిజంగా ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్తున్నా కదా, సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వి విల్ డూ లైక్ దట్. నేను ఏమైతే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ లో విపరీతంగా అడుగుతారు. ఇలా ఇది ఎలా చేస్తావు, ఇది ఎలా చేస్తావు, ఇలా చేయొచ్చా అన్నది. నిజంగా అలా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తారా? వాళ్ళు అడిగే ఇంటర్వ్యూలో అడిగే వాళ్ళ ప్రకారం చూసుకుంటే చాలా ఉంటాయి. మీకు ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ లో డిఫరెంట్ గా క్వశ్చన్స్ కావాలని అడుగుతారు వాళ్ళు. జెన్యున్లీ వెదర్ దే ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్ దట్ వే ఆర్ నాట్, ఈవెన్ వి ఆల్సో డోంట్ నో. ఓకే సార్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే దీన్ని ఏం చేద్దామా, లోన్ రెస్పాన్స్. Now we created one file, bro. So now I want to read this file. Okay na? Hello? Clear? Okay, now I want to read this file. Okay, this is my requirement. Sir, now step number 1. Okay, what we will do? Come on. Step number 1.
repository.
Create repository.
Oh, okay. Step number one. Now whatever NW loan response. Okay. NW loan response. Like that I'm creating. Okay. Select the file system and where is the repository. Where is your folder path? Now you can specify that folder path. Okay. Fine. Click on save. Step number one is completed. Successfully connected. Next one. Next one. Come on. Sir, now, sir, what is the use of parse XML? Okay. Ignore. How we can convert the XML data to clipboard format?
Parse XML.
Parse XML role. Parse XML role. Sir, now see. Now, what is the use of parse X? Now, see here. Now, I'm going to create a parse XML role. Loan response. Okay. Map loan. Okay. Now, I'm giving a map loan. Click on create and okay, open. Now, what are the details? Case ID we will get, right? Okay, we will get the case ID from from external system. Next one is mm, KYC status. Even page list, page properties, those things also we can include or not. Vinod Kumar,
Yes, bro, we can include.
we can include, right? Okay, I'm explaining simple structure. Okay, even sir, we can include. Say previous example, how we captured page list
Dependent case
property. Same like that. Page list and page properties, whatever you want to capture. Okay. Okay, whatever you want to convert XML response. Next one, I create again. Add this one. Double click. Add. Add this one. Perfect. After that, what we will do? Come on. Create a
Activity.
Call.
create activity. Okay. What we will do? Load. Anil Kumar, ఉన్నవా లేదా? Okay, sir, loan response data. Now what we will do is here. Okay, loan response data. Sir, now what we will do here. What are the details we need to pass? Sir, whatever details are available, what are the details we need to pass? On whatever data is available, wherever XML is available. Sir, wherever XML is available.
Repository.
Repository. Okay, where is the what is the file? Okay, this one. Okay. File path. RM dot response type. How you are getting the data, either stream or else string. Okay. Now we are getting string format only, right? Now you can pass into the string. Next one is the what is the folder path? Okay, XML file path means now we need to specify the file name, bro. Okay, what file we placed? That file you place dot XML. Next one is come on. What is the repository we created? Next. After that, what we want to do, bro? Come on. Step number 1 completed. After that, okay. So now what is the your database? This is your database. What are the parameters it is expecting? Go here. Example. Now, okay. Now you can pass this one. So same vice versa scenario. Okay, py contents. You are setting to some parameter. Okay, some parameters were content. So now param dot file content or else content, whatever you want, you can specify this one. After that, now okay, what we will do? So now this okay file content is available right now. Okay, now your data is available here. So now you are setting this one. Okay, file content. Okay, this one. Yeah, again we will encode and then we are decoding. That's it. And previously we encoded. Now we are decoding this entire content, XML content. Okay. For that purpose, again you can use the property set method and param dot loan data, and then okay this one vice versa you can do. Okay, base. Okay, this parameter. Okay. Even you can set to some clipboard property and then you can pass, either you can set into some parameter. Okay, you can pass. After that, final steps. Sir, now your data is available, just like vice versa we are doing. That's it. Sir, how we can call parse XML? Now here apply parse XML rule. What is the parse XML we created? This one. Okay, root element. What is the root element we specified? Map loan. Map loan. Okay, where is your data is available? Okay, fine. Where is your data is available? Fine. Okay, this is the okay. Oh, specify in a pages and classes. Don't forget. Okay, fine. Click go here. You can change this one to utility. Click on save. So now what we are doing is now you are reading that file. Okay. Sorry, you are reading that file and you are converting into clipboard format. In this file contains the data. Okay, just like a testing purpose, what I am going to do is see now I'm going to trace this one. Okay, I'm going to trace this one. Just you can see. Okay, success. Go here. Okay, now data came or not? Hello. Now we got the data or not?
So
Okay, clear, right, bro? Now we got the data, right? Where is the case ID? Case ID. Okay, now what do we want to do? Come on. After that, you want to
call database. Get
call
data.
database. Okay, fine. Call database. Call database and in, bro. So now okay, we want to set the data to case. That is our requirement, right?
Yeah. కొంచెం వన్ డౌట్, ప్రీవియస్లీ మీరు ప్రాపర్టీ సెట్లో బేస్ కోడ్ అది సెట్ చేశారు కదా ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్.
Okay, 1 minute. Sir, now okay, whatever data we are getting, right, parse, okay, apply parse XML. Now you are converting the data to case ID. Okay, key you are giving. After that, now you can, what you need to do, you need to update the data to, okay, you want to insert the data, right? What we will do, we don't have any PZNS key. Go here, go to the clipboard, go to the clipboard. Okay, now open this one. Whatever we discussed, I'm going to close all. This one we discussed, this one also we discussed. This one, okay, now we are discussing, okay. What we are doing is, go to the clipboard. Case ID, perfect. After that, obj open by handle. Obj open by handle, update loan case, NW icon. After that, what do you want to do? Hello, tell me. Now we want to update the data, right? We want to update the data into the case, yes or no?
Properties.
Come on, what we will do here?
We will map individual properties.
Individual properties, okay. KYC, oh, XML also we mapped same properties only, right? Okay. Okay, okay, fine. What I will do is, anyway, here we are getting a data just simply I'm setting parameters, same properties we used. Okay, KYC status, param dot KYC status. If you use the some different properties, okay, fine. KYC, next one is eligibility amount, eligibility status, existing EMIs. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eligibility amount,
Monthly income.
monthly income. Because same properties we use, right? In case you can create some different properties, eligibility మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసేటప్పుడు some different property names తో క్రియేట్ చేస్తే ఈజీగా మీకు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ లేకుండా ఉంటుంది. See, XML properties and these properties are both are same, right, bro?
Yes, bro.
For that purpose only, just I'm setting a parameters. Come down. Okay, na? That's it, right? Fine, perfect. Okay, you need to set all these things into some step page name. Now you people, sir, exception handling I'm not doing. See, okay, you people knows even I'm going to either you can set right now or else whatever you want. You people do. So some best ways also I explained. Some reusable activities we can use and then we can ignore about this type of warnings also. Okay, na? Sir, now here what we will do is click on save. Click on save. Okay, fine. Sir, after that manually we will not, okay, we will not run, right? What we will do now? All right, we will create a job scheduler. Yes or no? Sir, okay, when we are getting a response, okay, we will run the job scheduler, right? Okay, what I will do is every day at 5, daily at 25. I'm going to, okay, every day at, okay,
సార్ ఒకవేళ మల్టిపుల్ XML ఫైల్స్ వస్తాయి సార్.
multiple XML files వస్తే
అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఒక కేస్ డేటానే వస్తుంది కదా సార్ ఇక్కడ బయట ఎక్స్టర్నల్ సోర్స్ నుంచి.
Hmm.
అదే గనక 4-5 XML ఫైల్ 4-5 కేస్ ఐడీలు ఉంటే
4-5 case ID in single XML itself we will ask them to include. Single XML itself we will ask them to include all the cases. Structured format you can see, right? ఒక సింగిల్ XML లోనే మనము ఒక పేజ్ లిస్ట్ లాగా చేసుకోవచ్చా లేదా?
ఎస్ బ్రో చేసుకో
సేమ్
పేజ్
లైక్
లిస్ట్ లాగా
CSV file. Same like a CSV file. CSV file contains all cases, right? Okay, now we will
yes
ask
bro.
them. Okay, instead of sending a separate XML, okay, now you can send all XML, all each XML separate XML. You can send a single XML itself. Single XML itself, you can include a list of cases, a list of case details. It's like a page list. Yes or no? It's
Yes
like a
bro.
page list only. Page list only, right?
Yes bro, it's like page list.
Okay, sir, now at 12:45 it will execute. Okay, now I didn't open this case. Okay, fine. 12:45 it will execute. Just like a 3 minutes, you can take a break. Okay.
This conference will now be recorded.
Sir, now we will check that. Okay, whether this file, right? Okay, I didn't open this file. Okay. Oh. Okay, what is the job scheduler name? Okay, this is the job scheduler. Go to the admin studio and then you can check whether it is executed or not. Okay, whether it is executed or not, go here. You can, okay, success only. Go and check in that particular case. Okay. Okay, this is the case, right? Okay, this is the case. Okay, why it is not updated to the case? Okay, KYC details. Why the data is not updated? Okay, now I close the file. Okay, go here, go here. Okay, for testing purpose, I'm going to run that activity manually. Okay, is there anything mistake? Right now, checkbox. Okay, this one is fine. Okay, anything I missed? case ID. Okay, maybe. Okay, I will trace. We can identify. Okay, okay, while forming the PZNS key. Okay, see, maybe the values, right? Trying to invalid the page because entered value are eligible of spelling mistake. AELIGAB. G. ఛీ, ఆ, అదే కదా చెప్పాల్సింది కదా బ్రో. వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ ELIGIBLE. ELIGIBLE కదా.
అంటే ఫార్మాట్ కరెక్ట్ ఉందో లేదు చూసే కానీ మధ్యలో
నేను అనుకున్నా అక్కడ ఎక్కడ స్పెల్లింగ్ మిస్టేక్ అయిద్దని, వాటికి అయిపోయేది కదా. ఓకే ఫైన్, నో ఇష్యూస్. Okay, fine. Sir, now no need to run. Okay, what I will do is I'm going to schedule this one within the 2 minutes itself. Okay, multiple times a day, 2 minutes, within the 2 minutes, and then we can. Okay, go and here. Okay, just wait for 1 minute. Okay, this is the one thing. Okay, meanwhile, okay, Venkatesh left. Meanwhile, what we will do, I'm going to write encode. Sir, we can convert files or images. Sir, files or images, and okay, anything you can consider like that. Okay, sir. Now, files or images. Okay, files or images. Now we can consider. See, files or images data into text format. Okay, normal meaning. Okay, sir, convert the binary data. Binary data. See, this file data, image data, we are converting into text format. Sir, now you can observe based upon this sentence. Now, what is the use of okay, this one? By using, come on, మీరే చెప్పాలి ఇప్పుడు. Base 64, 64, decode, Pega OOTB function. What it will do? We can, come on, convert.
XML
మీరే.
to
Sir, no, not XML. You can ignore about, see whether I mentioned file, either CSV also.
File to clipboard.
Sir, now what it will do? Converting the, come on.
File to clipboard.
Okay, file to keyboard. Clipboard means file data, binary 64. Okay, See this one, base64 data into clipboard format. Yes or no? We are converting base64 data into our clipboard data, clipboard format, text format. Okay, it will convert what it will do this one. Okay, what it is doing this function.
One,
Hmm.
the clipboard data will be converted to file or image format.
Text data to base64 data. Okay, binary file data like that. You can consider. Okay, now we can open the case, same case you can open and then we can check. Okay, now, bro, now come on, now it is updated or not?
Okay.
See, vice versa. Sir, now how we are doing? Okay, this is the way to use the repository API. Okay, this is the way to use the repository API. Sir. So next one quickly, I will explain. Sir, now I want to create a new folder. Sir, now either you can run directly, you can run directly. Okay, you can see, for example, whenever someone asks you to create a new folder. Okay, now just we can open this one, open this activity. Directly you can run. Okay, directly you can run. Just to specify the folder. For example, what is your repository? Sorry, okay, what is the repository? Okay, which repository you want to create a loan response, right? Where is the say for example, okay, in this loan response. Okay, now I want to create one more folder. So in this loan response, okay, loan response, go here, NW loan. Now I want to create one more folder here. Sir, NW loan, right? Now I want to create NW loan 1. NW loan 1. Okay, I want to create like that. Click on create. Sir, now you can see here, true. Now go here, whether it is created one more folder or not, we can check. No issues if it is not creating. Okay, what I will do is it will create and just we can saveable database only, right? It will create. Okay, otherwise I will create create folder, create folder API. Okay, I'm creating one simple activity. So no need to create activity directly. If you run also, it will create property set method. Quickly, I will explain just like 5 minutes only. Param dot. What is the parameters it is expecting? This is the one parameter. Next one is the param dot. Come on. Okay, param dot this one, param dot repository. Okay, now go here. Param dot repository. Next one, bro. That's it, right? Now, what do you want? Okay, what is the repository name? What is the repository name, bro? NW loan one. Database. Okay. Click on save. Run this one. Fine. Okay. Where is the NW? Where is NW response, bro? NW loan. See, now it's created, right? Everyone? Hello? Everyone? Hello?
Hold.
Okay,
Yes.
created, right? Okay, one folder it is created. Okay, this is the one way. Okay, next one is, okay, I want, okay, so now I want to get the list of files. For example, okay, just like all are these things, we will not just like normally we will check and for whether now you want to know, okay, what are the files are available. Okay, what are the files are available? Okay, here what I will do is I will place one more file. Then I will place one more file. Okay, I'm going to okay copy this to okay these two. Okay, now I'm removing this one. I'm removing this one. Okay, now what I'm going to do is okay, this is the sir, what are the parameters it is expecting? Okay, repository name. What is the repository name? Hey, what is the repository name? NW response.
W loan response.
Yeah. Okay, from what folder you want? Okay, NW loan, kada? Now run this one. What happened? NW loan. NW loan and go to the this one only, right? NW loan during the file destination okay, it does not exist. ಏನಮ್ಮ? Oh, okay, okay, okay. The specified does not specified path is not exist. Why is not exist? NW why not exist? Okay, we will I will specify policy registration. Okay, okay, policy registration. Okay, where is the repository name? Policy registration. Okay, policy registration. Okay, now I got you two files. Okay, now I got what are the files are. One is the CSV file. Okay, another one is this one XML. There are two files are available. What is the issue? Okay, file. Is there any issue? Nothing, right? Okay, the database is giving a result. Two files are available in this folder path. Okay, you need to specify this one and this one. Okay, okay, okay. This is the one thing. Now I want to create a. Okay, you want to delete the file. Sir, now you want to delete a file. For example, okay, now what I will do is go here. Previously we placed the file, right? NW loan. Here we place the file. Okay, now I want to delete this file. Okay. Now, okay, repository name. Now you can run this one. What is the repository? Just now we created NW loan. Now I want to delete the file. Okay. Next one is okay. What folder you want to delete? Now I'm going to specify this location. Now we want to delete. Okay. Now we can check whether file is deleted or not. Okay, now everyone. Hello. Okay. This is the one thing. Next one is you want to create a folder. Create a folder completed. And okay, final one, even this one, okay, whether file is exist or not, it will return the true value. So now here, okay, this one, oh, nw I'm specifying. You can specify nw whether file is exist or not, it will check. Now it will remove. It will check whether file is exist or not. It will return true or false. Okay, nothing. File is not available. File is not available. Sir, what we will do is, for example, go here in this folder path, we will check whether file is exist or not. Okay, policy registration. There are two files are available, right? It will return either true or false, whether file is available or not. Okay, na? Hello,
ఏ ఒక్క
everyone.
ఫైల్ ఉన్నా కూడా ట్రూ
అంతే కదా,
చేస్తుంది.
ఫైల్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఆర్ నాట్ అంతే కదా చెక్ చేసుకుంటుంది. ఓకే ఓకే, థ్యాంక్స్ సార్, విల్ కంటిన్యూ టుమారో.